Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of integrating your Meta Ads account with AdScale. When entering AdScale, you'll have the option to connect to Facebook and Instagram. Click Connect. Make sure you have admin access to the Meta Business Manager and the assets you want to link, like the ad account and pages. If prompted, log into your Meta account and approve the permissions that AdScale needs to manage your ads. In following pop-ups, approve access to all necessary assets. Step 2. Select your Meta Ads assets. Now, let's select the Meta Ads assets you want to integrate. Once the connection is established, AdScale will sync your Meta Ad account and assets automatically. Select the assets you wish to integrate with AdScale. These include your business page, business manager, pixel, and ad account. If you do not have an existing ad account or pixel, AdScale will create one for you. Step 3. Monitor and resolve integration issues. Integration-related alerts will appear highlighted in red on the main dashboard for easy access. Just click Fix Now. Once the integration is completed, you can start creating ads by clicking here. And that's it. You're now ready to integrate and manage your Meta ad campaigns within AdScale. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.